Process Street, okay? So once you access Process Street, a checklist needs to be created in here. Someone has already created this checklist under this end of lease tab. Then we know that this is the tenant that we're gonna be working on. So pretty much what you need to do is we go and the first thing that we need to do when we know that someone is moving out is advertise the property. So the first one that we're gonna be advertising on is flatmates.com. So I think that I already showed you how to do it, but pretty much what you need to do is create a posting in here. So you go to this section in here and then you can say list my place. We already have many listings posted in here. So what we need to do is we need to click in probably all of them and check which one is the most appropriate one for what we need. So let's say that this one is the one that it's posted already, but let's say that we are creating this posting. So pretty much what you're doing here is you follow the process to create this posting. Most probably I'm gonna create another video in the future for whoever we're gonna be training in the future to complete this task. And this is pretty much how we do the postings in this site. So there's a lot of things that we need to allocate when creating the posting, including the price, the availability of the date, and so on. And then we also have a description that we allocate in here, as well as some information about the flatmates. So with you, lady, we have already worked on this. So pretty much we can skip this section for now. Then we say post on Facebook and share in all relevant groups. Probably I'm gonna be working another video in the way that we do these postings. Normally what we do is we access our Facebook profile that currently is called Carlo, and then we say marketplace. Once we are in the marketplace, then you're gonna be going to the selling section. And once we are in the selling section, we're gonna be completing the postings in here. So in this case, we have selling, and then we have some of the rooms already posted. But what we do normally is we go sell something and then we start building the post from here. Let's take as an example one like posting that we're gonna be completing right now, just a very short one. So let's say that we're selling a sofa. In this case, obviously, it's gonna be rooms, and then the price is gonna be $10. Then we select the category that we say furniture, for example. You add any description that we indicate you to add, and then we add a photograph. So the photograph that we're gonna add is, let's just say sofa in here. We probably are gonna get a photograph of a sofa. Then we can use this photograph, and then we say post. As I told you, probably we're gonna be completing a video of how to do the postings, the proper postings on Facebook. The posting, it's meant to come up available once we refresh the page. As you see it in here, then all what we need to do once the posting is created in Marketplace is go to the posting itself, and then you're gonna say share. Once we go here, you'll see that the option of share to a page. Is that not the case? So that once we are there, we simply say share in a group, and then you look for the groups where we need to post. As I told you, let's say that we are posting in Italiani in Brisbane or something like that, and then you complete the posting. Probably, as I'm telling you, this is a video that this is just part of the explanation of how we're gonna be completing the postings. At this current stage, this property is already posted and it's been shared in all the groups. But let me discard this. Let me delete this item that we are not selling. We're just gonna prepare it because I'm receiving indications here from my associate Karen that probably that's not the best way to do it, as she's actually the one who knows how to manage this. She probably is gonna be helping me with the development of the other training video, okay? So pretty much that room is this room. It's actually not posted in this section, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna leave it as not tick because it hasn't been posted in here. We need to work on that. So probably we're gonna be creating that video tonight. Maybe she can ask us in creating this posting and creating the training video for it, okay? Then we say activate currently link. Being very honest, these links are now all the time active on currently. So I'm actually gonna remove that section from this checklist. So we're gonna edit the checklist and we say delete this section. Once we delete that, we just say save, sure do. So this is applying the changes to all the current checklists into that section. Great. So now, then we say add bed availability information on OneNote section. So the OneNote section that we have for that is this section that is called sales. Being very honest with you, that there is few changes that I'm going to implement in the future. One of those changes is being able to access that link from the website. So if we, for example, have OneNote, let's access OneDrive. Then we're going to access OneNote from there. And one thing that I'm going to be doing is probably I'm going to be creating the direct link to that section. So that's going to be saving some time for us, okay? So let's access, this is pretty much the list that we need to use. Let's wait to see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna find all of the ones from Teamwork in here. The one that we need is this one that is the sales one. I'm not sure if we can get a link for this section. Copy link to section. Well, actually, I'm not gonna get into it right now because that's something that I need to work on. But let's don't work on things that we don't need to be doing right now. So pretty much that's that. Then we add this information on the OneNote section. In the OneNote section, this is the section where we go sales. Then we put Alexander Chape is the person that is vacating from the property that we have available. Then we say room number 1. We need to select the room where this person is sleeping. We can post the price that we know it's gonna go in here. Then we ask what is the type of person, like the gender that we're looking for, and we ask and we allocate the information of when the person is moving out. Please always remember that we are posting 1 day after for like the occupancy. Yeah, that's correct. So we say, yeah, that's been added. Then we say post on Gumtree. Gumtree is another site where we need to post definitely. And also we are posting our beds now on Airbnb. So in this case, I'm gonna add the post on Airbnb section. And then we also say post on Gumtree. I'm gonna show you how to post on Gumtree. I know that you guys from the Philippines are having some issues in getting those postings done. But I will do this posting right now, okay? So posting on Gumtree, let's access Gumtree right now.